Okay, so I've just done my row 5, or my mini version of row 5, and we're going to move on to rows 6 to 31, which is the rest of the pattern. So I'm just going to do my little chain 1 and turn. Okay, and the great thing about the rest of the pattern is that you don't need to do any colour changes, so that does make life a little bit easier. But the first thing it says on row 6 is to half double crochet 2 together, so that's nice and simple. We just yarn over and go into the first stitch, bring the yarn through, exactly the same as we did with the heart. We then yarn over and go into the next stitch, bring the yarn through, and then we just yarn over with the green, same colour, through all 5 loops. So that half double crochets 2 stitches together. But then we need to do 1 half double crochet in the same stitch as the last one used. So we go back into the same stitch we just used there, the second one here, we do 1 half double crochet. Okay, just 1 half double crochet. And then again, starting in the same stitch again, this last one used, we're going to do a half double crochet 2 together. So we yarn over and go back into that same stitch again, bring the yarn through, yarn over, but then go into the next stitch, bring the yarn through, 5 loops, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Okay, and that is what we just repeat, and that's worked over the first 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then we go back to just repeating that, but we start in a fresh stitch. So we go into the next stitch, bring the yarn through, yarn over into the next stitch, bring the yarn through, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops to half double crochet 2 together. Then we do that 1 half double crochet by itself in the same stitch. Then we half double crochet 2 together, but we start in the same stitch. Yarn over into the next stitch, 5 loops, pull through all 5 loops, and that's your second one done. And then the next one, got 3 stitches left, going to start in a fresh stitch, half double crochet 2 together, yarn over to the next stitch, 5 loops, pull through all 5 loops, 1 half double crochet in the last stitch used by itself, and then half double crochet 2 together. But you've only got 1 stitch left, but it's okay because we start in the same stitch as our last one. Bring the yarn through, yarn over into the very last stitch, then bring the yarn through, 5 loops, pull through all 5 loops. Okay, and that is the main pattern, and then you just repeat that over and over and over until you've done all 31 rows. So then we just chain 1, turn, and do the same thing again, starting in that first stitch, half double crochet 2 together, then it's 1 half double crochet in the same stitch as the last one, half double crochet 2 together, but starting in the last stitch used. And then we start afresh in the next stitch, half double crochet 2 together. And there we go, that's all there is to the second pattern, which is actually slightly easier than the top of the heart because you don't have to do the colour changes, but hopefully you'll give it a go. Just remember to carry your yarn if you can. You can keep it loose when you carry the yarn, and then when you get to changing it, just give it a little pull just to make sure you don't get any sort of extra loops hanging like that or something. You just want to pull it through so it's nice, but not too tight that it distorts your project. And there we go. So what have I done there? Moving on to the next one. And that's it from me. Hopefully that's covered the more complicated parts of the pattern and you're okay with everything else. If you've got any questions, just pop me an email and I'll see if I can help you. And there we go. You start seeing the pattern come together, and then eventually it would look like this. It creates a lovely scrubby effect. There we go. And these wash up really well. Still really soft, which is good. And you can tell this has been used because somewhere there is some shampoo that I got on it. There we go, look. I got some shampoo on it, which hasn't stained, I just need to wash it off. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for some more crochet fun. Bye!